To connect two batteries together, first place both batteries facing the back side to see the communication interfaces and plug a resistor on the first battery. Then grab the communication cable and proceed to plug one side of the cable on one of the interfaces of the first battery. Next, plug the other side of the communication cable, again on one of the communication interfaces, this time into the second battery that wants to be added. As a side comment, it doesn't really matter on which of the two communication interfaces is plugged in, as long as each side of the communication cable is plugged into the respective battery. If communication further to the outside wants to be added, another cable can be connected into the external device, for example, BOS Connect. If not available, connect a resistor. To check the connection, turn the batteries, press on one of the displays, and if both batteries light up, they are successfully communicating with each other. In this case, the batteries are running in hybrid mode. In order to change into lithium-only mode, press on one of the screen controllers, go right, left 3 times, and finally press right for a slightly longer period. Now, both batteries are running in lithium-only mode.